So I think what's going on here is just a mix-up with the two different notations. If you go at your textbook, we have a few different ways to write a derivative. So the derivative of y with respect to x, or we could say the derivative of the function f with a little tick mark. This comes from the difference in Leibniz and Newton. Okay, so the dy dx was Leibniz notation, and the tick mark was more Newton's notation. And it's true that this is used more notation. However, this is just as valid. So you lose a little bit here as far as saying, I don't really know what the function is a function of. I just know I'm going to take the derivative. So here, the derivative with respect to x, you know exactly what you're doing with this respect to x. So I think this is not clear. You could have wrote, you could hold the f of x, take the derivative with respect to x of g of x, plus the derivative with respect to x of f of x, hold g of x. So you could have written it out this way, where this is the exact same thing as saying the derivative of the g function. You can't mix them though. So this here would be the same thing as saying the derivative of x, f of x. So I think there's just not for sure what's going on here. If you drop the tick mark, then that would be correct on B.